Setting up your YouView box requires 4 essential physical connections to get started. We'll walk through each connection step by step to ensure your box is properly connected and ready to use. Here's an overview of all the connections you'll need to make. Your YouView box connects to your TV, aerial, power supply, and internet router using specific cables for each connection. Step 1 is connecting the HDMI cable. This single cable carries both video and audio signals from your YouView box to your television. Connect one end to the HDMI output on your YouView box and the other end to any available HDMI input on your TV. Step 2 is connecting the aerial cable, also known as an RF cable. This connection is essential for receiving Freeview digital television channels. Connect the aerial cable from your wall socket to the aerial input on your YouView box. Step 3 is connecting the power cable. Simply connect the power cable from your YouView box to a mains electricity socket. Make sure the socket is easily accessible and the cable isn't stretched or under strain. Step 4 is establishing an internet connection. For the most reliable connection, use an Ethernet cable to connect your YouView box directly to your router. Alternatively, you can set up Wi-Fi connectivity, which we'll cover in the next section. Excellent! You've completed all the essential physical connections. Your YouView box is now connected to your TV via HDMI, to your aerial for Freeview channels, to mains power, and to your internet connection. Now you can power on both your YouView box and your television to begin the setup process. Now that your physical connections are complete, we need to pair your remote control and configure your internet connection. This step ensures your YouView box can communicate with both your remote and the internet. First, let's handle remote pairing. Most modern YouView boxes will automatically pair with your remote control during the initial startup process. You'll know it's working when you can navigate the on-screen menus. If your remote doesn't pair automatically, you'll need to pair it manually. Hold down the YouView button and the OK button at the same time until you see a confirmation message on your TV screen. Next, we need to configure your internet connection. YouView boxes support both wired Ethernet connections and wireless Wi-Fi connections. Let's look at both options. For a wired connection, simply connect an Ethernet cable from your router to the Ethernet port on your YouView box. The box should automatically detect and configure the wired connection. For Wi-Fi setup, you'll need to navigate through the Settings menu. Go to Settings, then Network, then Wi-Fi. Select your wireless network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Your internet connection needs to meet minimum speed requirements for optimal performance. You'll need at least 2 megabits per second for standard definition content and 8 megabits per second for high definition content. Once your internet connection is established, your YouView box will automatically scan for available channels. You'll then be prompted to set up your account and install any necessary software updates. This process may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Your YouView box is now fully configured with remote control pairing and internet connectivity. The system will complete the final setup steps automatically, and you'll be ready to enjoy your viewing experience.